Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble the Ender 3 Max. As I showed you guys in the unboxing video, there's only 8 screws, so this should be really easy. We're going to start off with the M565 screws, the long black screws. And these are what's going to attach the top frame to the bottom. And as you can see, there's 2 slits on both sides. So when I carefully line it up, and it slides down both very easily. And then you're going to want to take your screw, and I'm using the tools that came with it. You can use your own personal tools, it will be easier, but just showing the easiest, but I'm showing the most practical way. Then you just line it up and start screwing. These are long screws, so it will take a long time to screw. Make sure you guys get these screws tight so there won't be much shaking in the x-axis and z-axis. Guys, actually one of my 4 screws was stripped, which makes it a lot harder to get in, but I think I'll manage it. I don't think it's something... Okay guys, now that we have the top of the frame in, the next thing we're going to do is put this power supply in. Which this is, we're going to use the M425s. Just 2 screws. This should be a lot faster than those longer screws. The last part of the assembly really is just me putting the screen in, which is just another 2 super short screws. They're just going to be the last M510s. Now we have to put all the wires in. It's very simple. They're all zip tied right here. I'm just gonna cut the zip tie. The great thing about these is they're all already marked. The 3 pins are for the sensors and the 6 pin are for the motors. So just put them in real quick. This goes to the X motor. Just right over here. The next thing, I think this actually goes to this sensor right here. This is the filament breakage sensor, which is actually very helpful. and then to the extruder motor. Then the rest are just at the bottom. There's one for the Z-axis sensor. Okay guys, before we finish off the build, I did forget to plug in the Z-axis motor, which is very important. Just like the others, very easy, goes right in. And then we're going to want to plug in our screen. It goes, if you're facing it, it's the far left, the closest one to the printer. And then we just plug our power supply to our motherboard. Very easy. And since I live in the US, I'm going to change my voltage to 115 instead of 230. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to plug it in. And there, just turns on. One thing I'm noticing right now is it's extremely quiet, a lot quieter than my Ender 3. So I'll mention more about that in my next video, which will be the Ender 3 Max review. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video.